we are, like our name, slightly different. We're all about accelerating delivery to improve people's lives. This is us. We're experts in transport, technology, and mobility. And we use new processes like human-centered design, which you've heard about, rapid prototyping, and co-design, which is here what we come to talk to you about. A little bit about the challenge. So infrastructure in your street affects your life. What's outside your house affects your life. It affects how you decide to go to work. It affects how you take your children to school. There's research that shows that if you live in a street that has got a lot of traffic, it is linked to dementia. It isolates you from your neighbors. It's actually as bad as living with a heavy smoker. But what can you do if you want to improve your street? Who are you going to call? What tools are you going to use? How long does it take? So there's actually a lot of investment from the government on local infrastructure, and there's a push to devolve power to communities. But the cut costs to local authorities means there's not many people to actually deliver those investments in infrastructure. So how are we going to cascade the investment down to your street? So here's the answer, and it's very simple. It's called community-led design, citizen-led proposals. This is the same street that you saw before. It was designed by the community. It was done super fast, and it was super efficient. It reduced traffic by 50%, and it made the street outside the local school much safer, which was the problem. The important thing is that it's super simple engineering if you have a look at it. There's actually only about 30 things that you can do to your street to improve it. So this was super effective, easy to do. Co-design is the answer. Why is it not happening more? How can we make it universal? How can we make it accessible to everyone?
Hello. So I'll run you through our demo of StreetBuilder. So StreetBuilder can help contractors, citizens, and local authorities work better together to deliver street infrastructure improvements faster. It's a web platform that helps ordinary people, so a resident, a business owner with no technical background, to identify viable proposals that will make their streets more livable and safer, more resilient. The web platform guides the user through a simple process to identify the challenges and the problems that they face on their street. So things like, I don't want to let my child run out on the street because I think that a car will get them. There's too much traffic, it's too noisy. There's nowhere to park the electric car that I want to buy next year. We'll combine that information through the platform, through our algorithms, with local data and model a set of viable proposals that have positive economic and technical outcomes. Instantly, we'll produce a report, which is for the user to have that information digested and take it forward with their local authority because they need that permission, or to the contractor so they can combine the proposals with other proposals that from residents or from their own to identify the priority ones. And or the user could even go to their neighbours, win grassroots support, or start crowdfunding. So we believe that starting the engagement earlier is a critical point to get the buy-in, the consensus from the community, so you can de-risk delivery later down the line. We've tested this product with customers, including about 10 local authorities in London. We've been shortlisted for a few funding opportunities. We've got an award from Unlimited for a social impact. They're a social impact investor. We're running trials at the moment. This quarter with community groups, and we're running a pilot with a council in London in May. And hopefully with the West Midlands Combined Authority, we'd love to speak to anybody with experience with that authority because that's new to us. For you, so how we see this working with the construction industry is to really help you innovate and deliver really deliverable packages for your mitigation measures when you're delivering construction, and improve the sense of engagement with the community so that they get improvements on their doorstep that they really want, and they all support them all the way through the process. We're looking at a number of verticals beyond transport planning, that's our area. We're also looking at residential sector, environmental mitigation like flood measures. That's a bit about our plans, and we'd love to talk to you about running some more pilots this year, live testing the software, and speak to you later. Thank you.